How to fix Microsoft Forms error code 1003, sorry, something went wrong. 1. Check the network connection. 2. Log out and log back. And 3. Check Microsoft servers and account status. 4. Enable CollabDB service in Azure portal. Here are the steps to enable CollabDB service in the Azure portal. 1. Log into the Azure portal and navigate to the Azure Cosmos DB account where you want to enable CollabDB service. 2. Go to the left pane menu under Settings and click Features. 3. Under Collaboration, locate CollabDB service and click the toggle to change its status to enabled. 4. Once enabled, click Save at the top to confirm the change. 5. After saving, you should see CollabDB service with status set to enable to indicate it is now turned on for the Cosmos DB account. 6. Now when users connect via MongoDB, they will have access to CollabDB service which enables multi-document ACID transactions and performance enhancements. 7. Make sure your application code and MongoDB drivers are updated to support CollabDB service features after enabling. With a few clicks in the Azure portal, CollabDB service can be enabled on Azure Cosmos DB accounts using the API for MongoDB. This unlocks multi-document transactions and other optimizations for your applications. 5. Clear browser cache and cookies. 6. Disable VPN or proxy service.